Hi everyone, I'm Coach Arjun from Score Campus, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to solve simultaneous equations. And while doing this, I'll be actually explaining it to my students. So yeah, just listen up, and you should be able to understand how to solve simultaneous equations by then. Firstly, you need to understand what are simultaneous equations used for. They are used to solve to basically get solve for two unknowns, solve for two or more unknowns. Okay, that means your x and your y and the variables and everything like that. So this is usually, if you are most likely you should be learning this if you are a 13-year-old student, 13-year-old or above. So yeah, let's get started. So the first method to solve for simultaneous equation is what we know as the substitution method. Okay, Nicholas, can you read to me the question, please?
2x plus 4y equals to 4.
And second one?
3x equals to 2 plus 2y.
Okay, so when you have simultaneous equations, first thing you need to do is name the equations. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Alright, and then now the first thing you do, because it's a substitution method, what you are aiming to do is substitute a variable so that you have to understand one thing first. You can only solve if you have one equation, it needs to only have one variable, and that's when you can solve it. So your purpose here is to have one equation and one variable. Yeah, that's the main aim. So what you're doing here right now, let's just take from 2, from equation 1, 2x equals to 4 minus 4y. So x is equals to 2 minus 2y because I divided it by 2, right? So now I get this. This is equation 3. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take equation 3, I'm going to sub it into equation 2. So 3 times 2 minus 2y equals to 2 plus 2y. So I get 6 minus 6y equals to 2 plus 2y. And then I put all my variables one side, so I get 6 minus 2 equals to 2y plus 6y. 4 equals to 8y, y equals to 4 divided by 8, which is half, 0.5. Now this is my equation 4. Now I take equation 4, I sub it into equation 3. Alright, so x equals to 2 minus 2, and then because my y is equals to 0.5, I sub it in here. Equals to 2 minus 1, so x equals to 1. These are my answers. Yeah, so this is what I call the substitution method. I'm now going to, again, if you didn't understand, I know I went through it very quickly, but these are the steps. It's basically this. Understand this and you should be able to solve any simultaneous equations in the future. Remember, what are you doing here? You are letting x be something over here from one of the equations, and then you are subbing into the equation so that you get one equation with one variable only. Yeah, now let's go on to elimination method. Elimination. Nicholas, can you please read to me the same question again?
2x plus 4y equals to 4. 3x equals to 2 plus 2y.
Okay, so again, same thing. Equation 1, equation 2. Now, elimination method, you are trying to eliminate. That means you're trying to cancel away something. Yeah, so that's the purpose. That's what you're trying to do. So let's take from equation 2, from 2, 3x minus 2y equals to 2, right? And then I'm going to multiply this by 2. You will understand why later. 6x minus 4y equals to 4. This is equation 3, right? So now what you see is, if you compare equations 1 and equation 3, you will see that here you have plus 4y and here you have minus 4y. So if you add equations 1 and 3 together, 1 plus 3, you will get, you can actually cancel out the 4y, correct? So you take equation 1 plus equation 3. So taking the left hand side would be this part over here, this plus this first, you get 2x plus 4y plus 6x minus 4y equals to, now the right hand side, 4 plus 4. Okay, so now simplifying this, you get 2x plus 6x, 8x. 4y minus 4y is 0, equals to 8. X equals to 1, which is the same answer as just now, right? And then now this is equation 4. And now you do the same thing again. You can sub it into anything you want. Most likely you can sub into equation, let's just say 1, right? Equation 4, you sub into equation 1. 2, 1 plus 4y equals to 4. 2 plus 4y equals to 4. 4y equals to 2. Y equals to half. Same answer as before. So whether you choose the elimination or the substitution method, it really depends on you how you would like to do it. I personally like to use the substitution method because it doesn't require too much manipulation, and you can do it for any question. Elimination, sometimes it gets complicated. So it is better for you to master one method rather than keep trying both the methods. Yeah. So I hope you understood this, and yeah, that's it. Take care. Bye bye.